Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am here to bring you guys another work at home position. This is going to be with the company Trustmark. Guys, they are looking for customer service representatives to work from home. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notification bells so that you guys are updated each and every time I do bring you these high paying positions. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. For more than 4 decades, Trustmark Health Benefits has crafted intrigued, flexible, and tailored employer health plan designs that seamlessly meet specific business needs and delight members. Each of our offices around the country is managed locally by industry veterans who understand the dynamics of the markets they serve. Our responsive and empathetic service teams provide the highest level of support for employers and members. Our local expertise and service representatives are national strength. We are independently operated subsidiary of the Trustmark Mutual Holding Company. So in this position, you are responsible for providing quality service by accurately and respectfully responding to telephone, written, and electronic inquiries from employees and members, providers, and clients. Inquiries include a variety of topics such as benefits, eligibility, claim status, claim disposition, and so on. As a customer service representative, you will have the ability to work from home and support clients in the Central Time Zone. We are currently hiring for a class of CSRs who will participate in our next training scheduled for December 6th of 2021, guys. So you need to go ahead and apply so that they're able to get you set up for your class in time for you to join on this actual go around. So the job responsibilities will include: you'll respond to telephone, written, and electronic inquiries. You'll treat all inquiries professionally and respectfully. You'll appropriately refer or escalate calls based on customer service procedures and guidelines. You'll research inquiries, appropriately refer unresolved inquiries or inquiries requiring further action to the appropriate individual. It could be like the corrections department, senior, and analysts. You'll follow up regularly on outstanding issues to ensure timely resolution. You'll thoroughly and accurately document all inquiries using PowerStep and family files. You'll communicate via telephone or email, electronically, that could be messaging, fax, or written letter. You'll initiate outgoing calls or other service projects as assigned, and there will be other duties as needed that will just be assigned to you, which means that would be extra training that you get. So the job qualifications: you just need to have previous customer service experience, the ability to work in a fast-paced customer service-driven environment. Excellent verbal and written communication skills are required, the ability to work efficiently, the ability to use common sense understanding to carry out instructions. Being flexible is something that they're needing. Having the ability to learn new things. Prior experience in a fast-paced call center is strongly preferred. So if you have that, do mention that information on your resume. You can even do that on your cover sheet. So you must be able to work at least 37.5 hours a week. You will be provided a set schedule which will fall between the hours of 8:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, up to 11 to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So even if you're on the East Coast, you can work these positions. You would just need to make sure that you're keeping up with your time change. You must be available to work these hours. So is self-funded insurance benefits and or TPA experience is a plus. Knowledge of medical procedure, diagnosis coding, and medical terminology is preferred. If you are bilingual, you know that that is always a good thing. Being familiar with summary plan documents, the SPDs, insurance booklets, or others. So it's saying come join us. So the pay range for this position, guys, is $17 to $20 hourly plus bonuses. Candidate skill set, your work experience, education on geographical location will be a determining factor when it comes down to the salary. They do offer benefits as well, so you will get paid time off, paid holidays, 401k plans, health, dental, and vision insurance. They do have the FSA and the HSA. Basic life insurance and supplemental life, short and long-term disability is available. EAP, backup care for children, adults, and elders, and the wellness program. So I'm going to do what I normally do for you guys, which is place this information inside of the description box. You'll click here where it says apply, and once you apply, then you'd be able to, move forward within the application process. Being that they are looking for individuals for the December class, they are going to be probably taking a first come first serve basis. Go ahead and try to get your foot in the door with this position, guys. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. Please remember, share the videos with family members, your church goers, children that's turning 18 and they need jobs. Share it with anybody that you know that needs a work at home job. There's a lot of jobs out here, and there is a lot of people needed to work those jobs. Thank you to all of my awesome subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you want to check out some of the vlogs on the channel, please feel free to do so as well. See you guys soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.